This is a short video to show resonance of the repaired RF choke. The choke is quite obvious. You can see the repaired section, and I believe the wire may be fractionally bigger, might be a gauge up, but it fits the gap well. And 12 turns put where the original burnt. I've got a small 6-volt incandescent bulb in series with the choke connected to the T-piece, as you can see here, and the output of the HF380 is feeding through the T-piece and through another piece of coax to the power meter here, with a dummy load connected on the output of that. So we're pretty much good to go. Transceiver set for CW, 13 megs. Power is at minimum. I'll just switch the power key, the transmitter. Okay, that's keyed up. I'll increase the carrier until I see about 10 watts or so on the meter. Okay, that's about okay, just fractional. It's about 10 watts showing on the power meter here, around about 13 megs. I'll now tune down 100 Hz step, so it's reasonably quick. Sorry, 1 kHz step, so it's reasonably quick. Power remains fairly constant. Now we see the bulb is starting to glow. You can just see that. Perhaps I move the bulb down a fraction. It's not in line of the front panel, perhaps. Okay, it's in the dark area. Right, so the bulb is just starting to glow there as I bring the frequency down, and we saw a peak in the brightness around about there. 12.15, close enough. Yeah, just perhaps fractionally higher, but around about 12.15, 1.17 there. A little bit more brightness, perhaps we can see it. If I want to go crazy behind you, there's about 25 watts there. Okay. Okay, that's maximum brightness around about there, 12.16 with about 25 watts through that system there. So 12.16, we have one peak. That's the lowest one I've been able to find. There is another peak, slightly smaller peak. I'll just reduce the power. Switch up to 16 meg here. Key up, increase the power again up to around about 20 watts, I think is about where it wants to be. It's fractionally less. Right. Okay, so now reducing the frequency from 16.16, I think it's, there we are. Okay, so there's the peak. It's a bit dimmer, needs a bit more power, but anyway, we can see the peak. 16.04, so around 16.05 megs thereabouts. So just below 12.2 and just around 16.05 are the two places where the choke sitting on the desk in the open air appears to be resonant. I think that would change significantly when it's inside the amp chassis. Remains to be seen. Okay, that's it.